Get ready to have your mind blown. We're unraveling the mystery of hiccups in just 60 seconds. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, a muscle under your lungs, suddenly contracts. This makes you suck air in quickly, causing your vocal cords to snap shut with a hic sound. But why does this happen? It can be triggered by eating too fast, drinking carbonated beverages, or even getting excited. Sometimes it's just your body's way of saying, "Whoa, slow down." Most of the time, hiccups go away on their own. But if you need a quick fix, try holding your breath or sipping cold water. So, next time you hiccup, remember, it's just your body's funny way of keeping things in check. Isn't the human body amazing?